I've done opened it up for you twice. You looked in it. How much more? You nearsighted? You need my glasses? Do you need my glasses to see what's in my bag? Do you need my bag? Why the hell should I show you my bag? I don't even know you. I told you that. I don't know you. I don't care. I know you don't care. Look, I'm talking to you nicely. Well, then let the train go. Let us go. That's all. Let us go. Let us go, sir. Sir, don't do this to me. Let us
Where's
go.
the fucking police?
Let us go. You didn't. You asked me. I asked you. Was there a Bible in your bag? You said under. I showed you a Bible. You didn't have one. Then you said it's the middle bag. I opened up the middle bag plainly
Show
for
me the
you.
rest of the bag.
Why the hell should I show you the rest of the bag?
Show everybody the rest of the bag.
Why?
Because I can prove my
Why?
name is in there.
What is your name?
I got a sign.
Where you go? Where you
Show
go?
bag and show ID. That's it.
You ain't even a cop. You ain't even a toy cop. Where you go? Where you go? You came up to me bothering me. I came after you was already on the platform. You was already on the platform. Police! 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 Help! Police! Help! Police! Help! Help! Police! Help! Watch the closing doors, please. Will y'all close the doors? Will y'all close the doors? Police! Police!
He want to run.
Police!
That's what he wants.
I want to go home.
That's my bag.
I've done work 16 hours. I want to go home.
That is my bag, son.
Could y'all close the door so we can go? You're stopping for this knucklehead? He was already on the platform when I came. He walked up to me. He almost caught an uppercut, and I would have been knocked the hell out.
No.
I should have knocked him out.
I was listening.
I should have knocked him out.
I was listening to
But I want to go home. I don't want to go to Central Park. I want to go home. This knucklehead, I don't know what he's
I
about.
had no reason. I was listening.
I know you had no reason. We're going to close the door so we can go.
And then I noticed my bag was gone, and I saw him around. There you go. That's my bag, son.
He gets his crazy bag somewhere else. He don't even know what kind of bag this is.
I know what's in there. Tell him what's in that bag.
Yo.
Call the police. This shit is ridiculous.
Oh, shit. Now you assaulted him. Come on. Sorry about that. I didn't push like that. Now you didn't push like that.
Never get locked up now. Yo,
Come on,
call
y'all.
the police.
This is frustrating.
Just let our soul happen. Now I'm gonna sue you and you.
Are you kidding me?
Oh my God.
He wants me to open up everything in my bag. Is he crazy? I don't even know him. He just strolled up on me.
Now you pushed him and knocked him down.
She sings music. I was listening to
You know what? This is the second train I've missed because of this knucklehead. I came on the plane. This is my bag. I asked him if he knew it. Close the door. I asked him if he knew what kind of bag this was. He don't know what kind of bag this is. She was here. I opened up the bag for him. He looked in the bag. There's nothing in here. I mentioned something that's not there. Excuse me, sir. Move back in the train if you're on the way. This is what I'm saying. Why do I have to stay for this guy? Why do I have to stay for this guy?
Ask him to open that bag.
I opened up the bag. You saw me open up the bag for him. Oh my goodness, man. This is craziness.
Ask him to open the bag.
This is crazy. Why do I have to stay? He goes persistently insist on me opening up the bag for him. I opened the bag
No,
for him.
he just landed on my foot.
He looked at it. He didn't see his stuff. I mentioned mentioned something that's not, that
That's
you
my
didn't even
bag.
know. What was
I'm
in here?
telling
I
you.
said it's their Bible. You said no. I lied. That's what he did.
No. Answer the damn door.
You want to walk with these people?
Are you willing to open that
Or
bag?
you want to walk with these young
I bet that's my bag. Y'all want to bet it's my bag?
Wait till the cops come.
I guarantee it's my bag.
Control
Wait
yourself.
till the police get you.